207 for 4. Well, it needs to click. He's got plenty of overs. A strike rate and average, a lethal combination. Straight away giving the charge well out of the crease. Dhoni will get off the mark. The attack.
They've lost the services of Shane Watson. Just made it back to the Indian Test side. Oh, it's a great shot. He'll only get a single, but swivel beautifully. Puts Rohit Sharma back in strike. 99 not out. So far, just 8 runs. But you hear the old timers in back.
Significant point in that.
Just 6 from the over. 232 for 4 now with 10 left.
6, that's soft.
Yes, he had to be careful. He's had major problems with his line today. Clint Mackay. With fine leg up inside the circle. He's of course allowed 4 outside now. He's just drifted down on the onside far too much.
For someone so miserly in his bowling, he really has had a day where he's been off the money.
Just finding what's right for you. Some people get it very early in life. Who can play the single? They were together, of course, those two in the 1983 World Cup when overthrows. Just one more though, not too many.
Feel the inner circle as well.
Dhoni's quick. He gets there easily. He's got that fine. He'll get only a single. Will keep the strike. 7 off the over. Rohit Sharma will get the strike. Dhoni pulls. 1 bounce over the rope.
This is not a wicket to bang the ball in short. The ball's not climbing up at all. So unless you get the ball around the batsman's shoulders, if you bang the ball halfway down, you're going to get clobbered. This is around the midriff. And Dhoni picks his spot.
Pulls again. This time the placement is once again excellent from Dhoni. This was much more controlled. The important thing was to find the gap, and he's split the fielders in the deep once again. So consecutive boundaries for Dhoni.
And this time he got inside the line and therefore was able to hit it squarer.
1 ball to go. Make that 15. It's picked away on the onside, and he finds the man in the deep. No, put down. Dhoni. Flicking away on the onside. That's a great effort. Oh, beautifully played. Look at that bottom hand. He's got 6 for that. Would you believe it? It was wide outside the off stump. He had to reach out for it. Just managed to get his bat there. And that bottom hand sent the ball away over the point boundary.
Yes, it could have been a wide, but he had to reach out for it. We all know that when that bottom hand comes into play, the ball disappears, and it has.
He gets a bat on that. Very resigned, the onside this time. Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd. Well, the captain producing something special. Have a look at the bat speed here.
Wow! Out of the park. The helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it, he knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out, but how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost, it's gone out off the ground.
This is a massive hit. It went miles up. And a new ball has come out. Short ball, 4 more. Well, the wheels are coming off here for the Australians. 20 of the over. It's 3:45 for 4.
Well, Faulkner doesn't know what has hit him. Tried to pitch it up, was in for a 6, tried to bowl the bouncer. It's a one-handed hook shot by Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
And that's exactly what Dhoni does. Neatly placed on the offside. 50 for the Indian captain. And another boundary to end the over. 17 of it. 362 for 4.
What a half-century by the Indian captain. Deliberately playing inside out. No protection on the offside for Nathan Coulter-Nile.
And that's smashed straight back. The bowler has to take cover. So does the umpire. That went like a tracer bullet. That was hit so hard by Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Well, the umpires need helmets as well. Have a look at that. He can see the funny side of it.
Look at the speed at which it's both the umpire as well as the bowler trying to protect their faces, not looking to take a catch. Have a look at it again. Look how hard the ball's been hit. Oh, both looking for protection.
That's 4 ball. He's just anticipating where the bowler is going to bowl. Just got the feeling he expected the short ball. Again, 20 runs of this over. Still 1 ball to go.
There's a slower delivery, but Dhoni knew where the fielder was. He knew that the fielder was in the 30-yard circle, just helping it along. 1 ball left.
Finds the fielder in the deep. Will get a single. He wants to come back for the second and will be run out. So he's sacrificing his wicket in the end, looking for that extra run. But it's been a magnificent performance by the Indians. After 50 overs, they've scored 383 for 5. And the Indian captain departing after playing his hand. An excellent 62 of just 38. So India making 383 for 6 from their 50 overs.